at 5 and left at 6, and we are here at 11:15 Colorado time. Brought my lovely wife. It's nice out. We'll see how the camping goes. I'm always worried that when I drive up here, there'll be somebody here. Nobody here, but there's an actual package on the doorstep. So let's check it out. I've never gotten mail before. What in the world?
Who's it to?
I don't even know. It says ship from outer loop. Is it UPS? No, it's UPS came all the way out here and drove up here.
How funny.
How weird is that? That is bizarre. I don't know who Teresa Jones is. Teresa Jones, you've got a package. Come get it. I know. Should I even look at it? And then look at my my cam, trail cam. Got. Oh, look at the pretty red birds. What are they doing? It got knocked over, so it's been taking a picture of the top of the trees. Unfortunately, darn. Broke off. Well, we'll have to reset it up. That is interesting. Beautiful day. Not even that windy. Get the key out and see how everything looks. I don't know. I really want to look inside it. Think he knocked on the door? It looks like it's been there for a little while. All pretty solid. All pretty good. Oh, what is that? That's not mice, is it? No, that's dirt.
Ooh.
What do you think? What do you think? Still on there.
Yeah.
Oh, I got some stuff I gotta rub off.
Yeah, there's what is that?
Well, some of it is, some of it isn't. Yeah, it's part of the glue.
Yeah, except what is, this is kind of a weird...
And that's what I gotta
you
fill
need to
in.
put, like,
And now I
a
gotta fill that
thing
in.
there?
I need to sand it and fill it in.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
We should do a fire just to get some hot water.
Alright, a little chilly. Gonna get the fire going. First fire of the camping trip. Of course, I'm gonna do it for Flint. Just to impress my wife.
How long it's been here? like a while.
Well, when's the last time I was here with Eli? It's been a little while. Alright, so done unloading. 10 minutes tops. I need to broom. Always brooming. Tiny cabins. Always brooming. Always. I guess I never unhooked the, I just keep it with a hook. So it is still pretty heavy. That's all that's holding that up. It's just a little latch. Alright, first thing on the agenda. Unload, go up to the rock, see if I can make a quick phone call. No luck with reception on the rock, so we're going to go up to higher ground. So, a couple videos ago, there must have been a huge windstorm. I found 2 huge pines ripped out, and then I found this one. It's just as big.
Here, too.
Yeah, look at this bad boy. That is a perfectly good pine tree. That's what it looks like on the bottom side. Look at this. I mean, it just ripped it straight out. Look at all the dirt inside it. It's like concrete. Here. Look at that. Oh, it broke right in half. Look at it. Oh, wait. No, that's another. Oh, it smashed down another tree that was dead right here. And then that's the healthy one that came crashing down. Ripped up the whole ground. It's not real deep roots. They just kind of spread out. And we got some pretty big aspens in here too. See if there's any bear claw marks. Go for a little walk in our forest. Get some sun block. Sunscreen. Put on my nose. What is it, 10 proof?
And I already
10
put
proof.
on mine too.
And it has, oh, what vitamin?
Tylenol, actually.
Tylenol.
It's like a,
Yeah.
it's like a
All good?
Tylenol and sunblock.
You just rub it off. See? It's good for you.
See any bear claws on
No? Usually you can see some marks of animals, and then it'll grow around them. Especially bears that are teaching their little cubs how to climb. But, well, I bet they're 50 years old because we had a big forest fire that came through here about 60 years ago, they think. And so we found another tree. Well, we found 2 trees down. Found this one. So we'll rip down this one. Goes right along here. And then that one, it goes over there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we got an aggressive hummingbird.
Attack of the hummingbird.
He like came into the cabin and came right at my head. He's looking at it. He's looking at her. He's wondering why we don't have more sugar water for him. Man, it comes right at you. He's here for the summer though. There's him. Camera. It's like just checking this place out. Yep. Now she's cooking, nice and hot. Got my peppers. Dude, gotta cut.
You can tape it.
Yep. I'm gonna have to pull you from the competition.
Yeah, I'm not very good at this alone thing.
Ouch.
I'll try not to get the blood in the avocado.
Good mayonnaise. Oh, that looks good right there. It's nice and crispy.
No, I'm gonna almost make some.
Nice and crispy. You were gonna mix it all in, weren't you?
little blood on it.
Mm-hmm. Is that her lettuce from? Alright, so this is a gift that a friend got me. He used to, when he was younger, I believe, in college, he would go out horseback with a couple guys, and they go out to hiking paths where the paths got big trees in front of them, and they would go and clear them with these types of saw. This is a one-man crosscut saw, I believe. It's got the handle he found and restored it, and he saw me cutting with a little saw and said, "You need to get something bigger." So perfect for this big old tree that's gone down. So we're gonna cut some logs, me and my wife, and see if we can make a bench. We'll show you how this baby works, and I've used it a few times already. So let's do this one first. Actually, I don't know.
I don't know what to do.
Just guide it so it's not.
Where you want to go this way, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
You're in the way though. You need to get to the side of it. Yeah. Break that off. All right, so 17.5 right here. Oh, jeez.
Ow!
Oh, what happened? What'd you do?
I got too close and it smashed my finger.
Oh, babe. Oh, can't.
I'm no good out here. I need gloves.
Yeah, you do need gloves.
The wood. I went all the way.
You went all the way?
Yeah, on the side, like that.
Huh. Alright, so I'm going to try to make a bench that we cut with our solo crosscut saw and my leftover 1x6s. That side, another that side, another one. That's and they thought that. Well, it's not right because I'm on the level ground. how it works, but once I get that taken.
Yeah, there's still a couple spots there.
Getting ready for lunch, and we're eating the same thing I had last time, now that I think of it. Cucumbers, peppers, broccoli, some sausage. It's all good. Looks good. Looks good. Alright, time for bed. It's about 10:30. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning.